Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Bokkeumbap. Start by prepping kimchi, rice, gochujang, and optional proteins so everything cooks fast. Heat oil, sauté kimchi until fragrant, then add rice and sauce while breaking up clumps for even coating. Adjust spice and salt to taste and finish with sesame oil, toasted sesame seeds, and a fried egg for texture and richness. I'll walk you through simple ingredient choices and quick prep steps for great Kimchi Bokkeumbap. Measure rice, kimchi, oil, gochujang, soy sauce, and optional proteins like spam or tofu. Chop vegetables and reserve kimchi juice to boost flavor. Use day-old rice for better texture and keep ingredients within reach. Preheat the pan and work quickly to get smoky char without drying the rice, tasting and adjusting as needed. Quick recommendation: if you like clean scents while cooking, try Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after grocery runs. It pairs oddly well with kimchi aromas after a long day of cooking. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I link the Little Tree's black ice and other deals in the description so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cook Kimchi Bokkeumbap step by step with focus on texture and timing. Start by frying aromatics and kimchi until juices caramelize and develop smoke. Add rice and press clumps apart to separate grains while stirring so each grain gets sauce. Stir in soy, sesame oil, and kimchi juice, then add protein and vegetables to warm through. Serve immediately so the rice stays moist and the flavors pop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.